The safety equipment for this experiment includes thermal gloves in case the inside of the oven gets very warm. Also, please ask for an adult assistant when using the box cutter.
Step 1. Using the ruler and pen, draw a square on your pizza box lid, leaving a 1-inch border from the edge of the box to each side of the square. Step 2. With the box cutter or utility knife, cut through 3 sides of the square you just drew, leaving the line at the rear of the box attached. Fold the flap back so that it stands up when the pizza box lid is closed. Step 3. Cover the underside of the flap with heavy-duty aluminum foil, which will reflect sunlight into the oven. Glue the foil to the flap, smooth out the wrinkles, and cut off any excess. Step 4. With the scissors, cut the 2 square pieces of clear plastic wrap, each 1 square inch larger than the flap opening. Open the pizza box and tape 1 piece of plastic to the underside of the hole so that the plastic covers it. Step 5. Close the lid and tape the second plastic sheet over the top of the hole, creating a window that helps keep the sun's heat in the box. Step 6. Glue or tape a layer of aluminum foil to the inside bottom of your pizza box for insulation. Step 7. Cover the foil layer in the box with sheets of black construction paper and glue them into place. The black base will absorb light and generate more heat inside the oven. Step 8. Find a nice spot that will get direct sunlight for the next 15 to 30 minutes. Place your s'mores on the top of the black construction paper. Close the lid but keep the flap open to let the sunlight in. Use a stick or straw to support open the flap, and now we wait.